Okay, we have F1 Lights Out Season 2021 Topps trading cards. Super excited, just got these. Right off the bat, first thing I was kind of surprised by was the size, very small, 4 1/4 by 4 inches. About a little more than 1 inch that way. Really small little boxes. Got 2 boxes. Right now, as of April 2023, they're selling for, I don't know, 110, 120 a box. So let's see what we have. Again, really excited. This is looks like 25 cards, and it says guaranteed parallel in every box. Looks like there's 5 packs. So kind of have a spacer there. That's nice. Keeps the cards, in good condition. And this is interesting. They're just foil packs. No writing on them. Okay. So this is a 40 card base set. I'm interested in actually trying to collect the whole set. So 40 cards. Here's something really interesting. They're not numbered. You can get a list of the names online. All right, so let's see. Let's start out with Mick Schumacher. Rookie race. RC card. No number. Kimmy. These all have a dark scheme, as you can tell. Neon letters and numbers in the background. Kind of unique. Again, there's a total of 40 base cards. There we go. Gotta have a Lewis. Gotta have the Lewis in the collection. So if you buy 2 boxes, you're right at 50 cards. So if you don't have too many duplicates, you could have the set in 2 boxes. Sergio Perez. There's also rookie race cards, world champion, history maker, and powertrain. Antonio Giovinazzi. Haven't seen him in a while, but he has a card. All right, next pack. You do have an opportunity to get numbered cards out of here, including a 1 of 1 card. So you never know. Maybe we will get one. Another Kimmy. 2 Kimmys. So that's a really cool card. I actually really like the car cards. Yeah, that's really cool. Right on. We got a Red Bull and a Mercedes. Fighting here as cards as they are out on the track. Crazy race in Australia that we just had. What was there, about 4 red flags? That was pretty interesting. I'm just happy that Alonso didn't get his 3rd place taken away by a Sainz move there. Another car card. We got a Yuki RC. Kimmy duplicate. Got a duplicate, ladies and gentlemen. Williams. I like that paint scheme that they had then. All right. We got a Vettel. Can't go wrong with Vettel. What else we got? Almost done with this box already. Lightning fast. Danny Rick. Wish he was still in it. Vettel. Another Vettel, but not a duplicate. Fernando. Doing awesome this year. We got an Alpine. Very cool. Lance Stroll. Last pack. Blazing through it. Boom. Sergio. I think that's a duplicate. I think we already got a Sergio in here somewhere. He's buried. Still like Sergio though. He's a good guy. Vettel. Danny Rick, duplicate in the same box. Alonso, duplicate in the same box. So, and Antonio, another duplicate in the same box. So apparently you can get duplicates in the same box. Box number 2. Didn't see any numbered, paralleled. You don't have an opportunity to get any autographs. There's no autographs in this set. All right. Here we go, burning through it. If there's any way to burn through money, it's collecting cards. So if you're into that sort of thing, go ahead and start, and you'll burn through money, no problem. Lando, kind of light. It's almost like it's whited out a little bit, but I think that's actually the way that they're intended to be. Glossy finish. Stroll. There's a pretty cool Aston Martin and another Mercedes. 4 packs to go. Lewis, that's a rad card. Yep, I like that one. Oh, we have a numbered card. I don't know why it's numbered though. It says 13 out of 75. But it's a McLaren. I don't know why it's numbered. Maybe I'll have to look through these. Did I miss one that was numbered? Because that one doesn't look any different than the others. Haas, Uricali, another Fernando, another Sergio, another Stroll. Interesting. Parallel? Is it? No, it's not a parallel. Rainbow foil edition. Latifi. Lewis, another Lewis, racking up the Lewises, another Williams, another Kimmy. It's cool. I'm excited to collect this set. It's a cool set. Charles, Yuki, another Sergio. I guess you're going to get a lot of duplicates with this. And another Antonio. So if anyone wants to collect Antonio, hit me up, and I'll gladly, I'll probably just mail them to you for free. Ocon. Nikita Mazepin. I'll send you that one for free too. My guy, Max. Cool. Glad to have that one. George. These are really cool cards, actually. And another Nikita, but they're different colors. You know what? All right, I need to look through these a little bit better here, because I did get one numbered card, and I believe it says you can get, right, guaranteed parallel in every box. So I missed it somewhere. I think there's a parallel, so I think this is a parallel, and somewhere in here there's another numbered one. So if you want, you can rewind the video, tell me where I missed it. Meanwhile, I'm gonna start searching, and y'all have a great day. Next time I get a cool box of stuff, I'll open it up for you and make a little video. Okay, take care.